This is going to be a multi-part series covering one of Sony's flagship mirrorless entry-level cameras. If you're new here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Also, I've got a free PDF for you guys, 10 tips for basic photographers. The link is in the description down below. In this first video, I'm going to help you get familiar with all of the parts of the camera. The buttons, the dials, the wheels, the huge amount of function options, my custom buttons, and plenty more. I know, it's really easy to get overwhelmed when you're starting out with a new camera system or you're just a beginner. I want to make things fun, easy, and enjoyable for you. In the upcoming videos, I'm going to break down and give examples of how I use the wheels, the buttons, the dials, and more on the Sony a6000 mirrorless system. My goal is to steer you onto a path of greatness, and I want you to become successful as a photographer. Shooting is a lot of fun when you know how to use the Sony mirrorless system. Without roadblocks or resistance, the camera just becomes an extension of your creative mind. Thank you so much and enjoy.